Good morning, students. Today class we are going to study about a very important topic that is Mendeleev. Mendeleev periodic law. Mendeleev periodical law means the Mendeleev classifications. First of all, Mendeleev is a Russian. He was done in he was introduced in the periodical table in 1869. Okay, the Mendeleev he give another contribution, that is invented that barometer. The barometer is nothing but it used to measure the atmosphere pressure. Atmosphere pressure. Okay, in 1869, the first person who done that in 1869. He done the 63 elements, or Mendeleev, the 63 elements he arranged the periodical means 63 elements he arranged in while taking the atomic masses increasing. It arranged based on the atomic masses. Atomic masses in periodical table. He arranged the 63 elements in periodical table by increasing the atomic mass. Periodical table. And also we call that Mendeleev is the father of periodical table. Father of periodical table. What he done? He taken 8 verticals. You see, this is what he taken that Mendeleev, the group. It is all the groups. It's all periods. Okay. What he done? He taken that 8 vertical columns. He called that groups. 8 vertical. You see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 vertical called that groups. Okay, then we taken that 6 horizontal rows. We call that periods, or you also call that series. We call that series. Okay, you see, in group 1 we am taking that group 1. I am written A and B, means the group is divided into A and B. You can see in another NCERT textbooks they written the 2 columns. Okay, I written in only one tabular column to convey you. Okay, what groups are divided into subgroups, like groups are divided into like 1A or 1B, 1A or 1B, or like not only in first group, you can see in second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, up to seventh it has the subgroups. The groups up to 1 to 7 it have subgroups like 1A 1B, 2A 2B, 3A 3B. Okay, like that. But no 8 subgroups. no 8 subgroups. Okay, you want to remember this point. Next we are going to talk about that is taken that if we defined Mendeleev's periodical table, if we define Mendeleev's periodical table, if we define the physical and chemical properties of element are the periodic function of their atomic masses or atomic weight. We can write that atomic masses. The definition is telling that physical and chemical properties of element means this element 63 elements are in the periodical function of their atomic masses. If we talk that what is this atomic mass, you see atomic mass is nothing but mass of the one element. You see, we'll write that what is atomic mass is nothing but mass of one element. If we talk about what is the physical property, is telling the physical and chemical property. Physical is nothing but if we talk element density or melting point or boiling point. Okay, if we talk a chemical property, the reaction. See what the chemical property, if you talk, the chemical property is nothing but reaction of one element to another element. Reaction of one element to another element. You see, the physical and chemical properties of elements are there in periodical functions on their atomic mass. Atomic mass is nothing mass of the one element. Physical properties nothing but density, mass, boiling point of each element. And chemical, if one element reacts with another element, what happens? The reactions. Okay, like that. For example, if reacts with oxygen or hydrogen, okay, it gives highly reactive, found in readily and large components. Okay, if reacts the elements, what they are written here, the elements reacts with oxygen or hydrogen, will get. Why it reacts with oxygen and hydrogen? Because highly reactivity. These elements are highly reactive. Another one is found in readily. It can found readily. Another one is if elements reacts with oxygen or hydrogen, will get large components. Large compounds. How can we tell? For example, we take lithium reacts with oxygen or hydrogen. What will happen? For example, lithium reacts with oxygen, it gives lithium oxide. We can write it as R2O, correct? No? For that only in periodical table I written that R2O. All these group elements, if reacts with oxygen, it gives the general R2O. Like that form only I written here R2O. Okay, you can write another one, that is lithium reacts with hydrogen, it gives lithium hydride. You can write RH. For that only I written that R2O and RH. R2O is nothing but reacts with oxygen. RH is nothing but reacts with hydrogens. I have written the generally. We can see it in each and every group, and we can take another example also, that is a sodium reacts. I will take another group, another period, that is sodium reacts with oxygen. We can check it. Na2O, correct no? Similarly it comes NO2. Similarly R2O, or Na sodium reacts with hydrogens, it forms sodium hydrate. Similarly RH. For that purpose only I told that. Okay, you see, next we are going to talk about a very important topic, that is Eka. What is this Eka? Eka is a Greek word next to. The Eka is nothing but next to. Eka is nothing but next to. Okay, you see, I left some spaces here, that is in fourth I left here, correct no? This element, what happened, these elements. Okay, for that I will write, okay, what is this Eka? Okay, what happens? Okay, you see, Eka is nothing but next to. For example, you take a boron, okay, Eka boron, or Eka silicon, okay, Eka aluminium. For example, if you take Eka aluminium, you will get, you see, Eka aluminium. After Mendeleev, there was introduced the gallium, but Eka aluminium is not told aluminium, it told Eka. It told that, yeah, what it told that in this periodical table, it told Eka aluminium, it told that. Okay, Eka aluminium, he told that, but he not invented. Okay, Eka aluminium, and he also not invented that Eka is also not invented. Okay, Eka aluminium is told that Eka, that's all. If Eka atomic mass, I will shortcutly, atomic mass is not told Eka aluminium, it told Eka. Okay, Eka aluminium is next to. I already told that Eka is nothing but next to. Eka aluminium is next to how much atomic mass? He told that atomic mass approximately 68. Okay, after invention of gallium, we got the 69.7. It is approximately, and also he given that oxide formula. You see, he given that oxide formula, that is R2O3. Correct? No, R2O3. He given that oxide formula. That is Al2O3. If gallium reacts with oxygen, it will also get GaO3. It's that we got R2O3. We got this gallium. Okay. Next we are going to study about Mendeleev periodical table. Okay. While seeing this table only, we will write it. Okay, while seeing this periodical table only, we will write it, what happening in this. Okay, see Mendeleev periodical table. Already I defined that the property, correct no? Mendeleev periodic table. Okay, Mendeleev periodical table, its merits. What he given that grouping of element. First he was given that grouping of elements. Correct? No, he make a groups. Okay, grouping of elements. Another one, predicted that undiscovered. You see, he predicted that one thing. Correct? No, he predicted that one thing. Eka aluminium or Eka boron, okay, eka silicon, eka magnesium, okay. What is given that predicted protection of undiscovered elements like eka aluminum, we got gallium, correct, no? eka silicon, we got germanium, eka boron, we got scandium, eka magnesium, you got technetium. He is predicted undiscovered element, that is 4. Okay, he called that eka aluminum, eka silicon, eka boron, eka magnesium. He told that after his death they have invented that 4, but the 4 also is equal to atomic masses, and also oxide formulas are same. Okay, for that he was predicted the undiscovered element. Another he also prediction of the properties of undiscovered, he also predicted, correct, no? He given that prediction of properties of undiscovered elements. He given the property having the both atomic masses and oxide formulas. For that he was predicted. And noble gases plays separate group. You see the noble gases, okay, is not make a noble gas separate group only made it. Okay, noble gas placed separated groups. Noble gas placed as separated groups. And also correction of atomic masses. You make correction of atomic masses. Like given that atomic masses formula also, that formula, while using the atomic mass formula, you can find this perfect atomic masses. He given that correction of atomic masses formula is you can write that atomic mass formula is equals to equivalent mass into valency. Okay, before it was given, if they are calculating wrongly, like equivalent mass of the beryllium, if we take, we got 13.5. You see, while before correcting the Mendelis, what they taking, that atomic mass is atomic mass equals equivalent mass into valency. Equivalent mass is that 4.5 into 3, we will get 9. Will get 9. No, it will get we'll get 13.5. we got 13.5, but it is not that atomic mass of beryllium. For that he given that perfect atomic masses, he taken that 4.5 into 2, we got that 9 is the atomic mass of beryllium. You see, atomic mass is 9.01, it is approximately 9, while the correction of atomic mass was done by Mendeleev. Okay, Mendeleev. Next we can talk about demerits. Are you can tell that defects. Okay, demerits are we can write that defects. You see, defects, what is the, why he failed? Okay, he not given the position of the hydrogen. First demerit is he not given the position of hydrogen atom, cause not metal. Okay, not a metal. If you take if it reacts with the first group elements, position of hydrogens, you see, position of hydrogens, you see, if you take the first group hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, if it reacts with the seventh group like fluorine, chlorine, okay, bromine, iodine, this all the halogens, we know that already, and I will tell that if you position of the hydrogen is not identify that. For that you can, if you see, if sodium reacts with hydrogen also, and also sodium reacts with halogens. Okay, similarly that the hydrogen reacts with chlorine atoms. And also the position of isotopes. First is position of hydrogen, second is position of isotopes. What is this? What is it is isotopes means having same atomic mass. I will write here same atomic mass. What is isotope? I am telling isotope is nothing but having a same atomic mass but differ in atomic, same atomic number and different atomic masses. You see, isotope is nothing but same atomic number but differing atomic masses. Like chlorine, you take chlorine, it acts that chlorine is atomic number. Chlorine atomic number is 6. Sorry, carbon is 6, chlorine is 14. It must be get 34, or if it shows that chlorine atomic mass 35 and also 37, but perfectly if we talk that chlorine it acts must be shown that 35. Like that the position of isotope is not identified by Mendeleev. Okay, third one is wrong order of atomic masses. You see, he made one mistake, that is wrong order of atomic masses. Why he made a wrong order? You see, the wrong order is nothing but, you see, the cobalt atomic mass is 58.9. You see, cobalt atomic mass is 58.9. when come to nickel 58.7. you see, nickel must become here but cobalt must become it must be replaced, but he made a like this only the periodical table, Mendeleev. For that it is a wrong order of the atomic masses because nickel must become first, correct now, but he made a cobalt. For that he made a one mistake. He made 3 demerits, that is position of hydrogens and position of isotopes and wrong order of the atomic masses. Okay.